My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2018 Jaguar E-Pace. This vehicle has done just over 81,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. To the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. On our screen, we can access smartphone integration and media, eco data, voice control and Bluetooth, contacts, valet mode, and if we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen, we have our dual zone climate control, and using our mode button, we can switch between rain, ice and snow, eco mode, comfort and dynamic. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.